friend move, and I'm gonna show you guys the process. I look crazy.
That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna
Furniture shopping. I'm tired as fuck. We had fun. We had fun last night, especially because let me tell y'all, this bum crackheaded ass bitch from my job need to get her ass fucking beat. This bitch had me fucked up. Matter of fact, just like John said, I need to do a story time on that bitch. So let me know if y'all want a story time on that crackheaded ass hoe. I'm still on this. Not them charging $400 for a man. That's stress the fuck out. With no dick. So we're gonna Target. I look fucking crazy. I look crazy.
No, you gotta get hit by a car.
No, she said come this way. I hate you. So we are going to fucking Target. I forgot. What else we need? Oh, we're getting bins in here. Cause she has some suppliance, some cleaning supplies. We're gonna come run in here real quick, and then we're gonna be out. Knock on that shit. Knock that shit.
I'm not gonna be in there. I look crazy. My hair look crazy.
Girl, I look crazy. My face look crazy.
Not my face look crazy. Bye.
Excuse me. Do you know where the boxes are at? Aisle 10 to the right. To the right.
Okay.
I'm tired. I wanna go.
I wanna go